Hello students, this is AH Academy Maths Tuitions. Now last class we have discussed about the integration by substitution. In that topic we have discussed some problems. Now today I am going to start exercise 6b. Here 6b, integration by substitution. The first group, first problem, integration. Evaluate integration e power 2x dx. How will submit it? 2x, put 2x is equal to t, and x derivative is 1, 2 is there, again x derivative dx is equal to dt. That means dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. That means we can write, whenever we see dx is there, e power t half dt. Already we can take the constant outside, integrate half integration e power t dt. We know e power t formula, e power x means e power x plus c, e power t plus c. Again t means e power 2x. This is the first problem. And the second problem is integration sin 7x dx. How will do this one? Put 7x is equal to t, we can say. So 7x derivative is 7 dx is equal to dt. Again we can say dx is equal to 1 by 7 dt. So put this value in our problem, integration sin of t into 1 by 7 dt. Take the 1 by 7 outside, integration sin t dt. Sin derivative is cos minus of cos dt. Cos t by c by 7 plus c. T means cos 7t. Here we are you observing here e power 2x and sin 7x. What is that? X coefficient is integration. I am discussing about the integration. E power 2x means x coefficient is coming in the denominator, and in the derivative x coefficient is coming in the multiplication. So here 7x also, 7 is multiplied by x, but here in the answer by 7 is there. You observe this one. And here also third problem, integration x by 1 plus x square dx. In the denominator put a 1 plus x square dx. 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x dx is equal to dt. That means in the numerator here x is there, so send 2 in right side, x ds is equal to half dt. Put this value in that problem, integration 1 by t half dt. Take the half outside, integration 1 by t dt, half log mod t plus c. T means half log t means 1 plus x square plus c. This is the third problem. Integration 2x into sine of x square plus 1 dx. Here also put x square plus 1 is equal to t, and x square derivative is 2x, 1 derivative is 0, dx is equal to dt. Here also we put this value in that our problem, integration sin t dt. Again sine integration is minus cos t plus c. T means x square plus 1. That means minus of cos x square plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Fifth problem, integration log of x whole square by x dx. Here also we take log x is equal to t. Log derivative is 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Put this value in our problem, integration t square dt. That means t power n plus 1 and t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, that is t power 3 by 3 plus c. That means log x whole power 3 by 3 plus c. T value we are substituting here. Again, here sixth problem is there. Integration e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Here substitution you should remember every time. ఇక్కడ మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది, ఏ దానికి మనము తీసుకొని డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తామో, డెరివేటివ్ చేసినట్లయితే అందులో ఆ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఉన్నటువంటి వేరే వాల్యూ ఏదైనా వస్తుందా అని చూసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ వచ్చినట్లయితే మనము సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ tan ఇన్వర్స్ డెరివేటివ్ చేసినట్లయితే 1 by 1 plus x square వస్తుంది, మనకు తెలుసు. అందుచేత మనం ఇక్కడ tan ఇన్వర్స్ని t అనుకుంటాం. Put tan inverse x equal to t. Tan derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt. అంటే 1 by 1 plus dx బదులు ఏం రాయొచ్చు, dt. అంటే దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ e పవర్ t dt. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ t అంటే e పవర్ t ప్లస్ c. t అంటే ఏమి, tan inverse x plus c. e పవర్ tan inverse x plus c. Again seventh problem. Here also same as it is. Integration sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటే మనకు డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి వాల్యూ వస్తుంది అంటే tan ఇన్వర్స్ డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే 1 by 1 plus x square వస్తుంది. అందుచేత మనం కూడా ఇక్కడ tan ఇన్వర్స్ x is equal to t అనుకుంటున్నాం. అంటే tan ఇన్వర్స్ డెరివేటివ్ చేస్తే 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to dt వస్తుంది. అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ sin of t dt. సైన్ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేస్తే మైనస్ కాస్ టీ ప్లస్ సి. టీని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే మైనస్ కాస్ ఆఫ్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ x ప్లస్ సి. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే హియర్ ఆల్సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ 1 by 8 plus 2x square dx. ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లంలో మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏమిటంటే x స్క్వేర్ యొక్క కోఫిషియంట్ షుడ్ బి టేక్ కామన్. ఎప్పుడు కామన్ తీసుకోవాలి అంటే x స్క్వేర్ యొక్క కోఫిషియంట్ 1 ఉండాలి. ఎప్పుడు వాడు 2 ఇవ్వని, 3 అని, 9 ఇవ్వని, 7 ఇవ్వని, ఏదైనా నెంబర్ ఇవ్వని, బట్ వి టేక్ ద కామన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇట్. సో వి డూ 1 by 2 కామన్ బ్రాకెట్ 4 plus x square dx. Again we open the bracket, 2 4s are 8, 2x square, 2x square dx, same as it is. So take the common totally outside in the integration. Half integration 1 by 4 plus x square. 4 means 2 square. 2 square plus x square. What does that mean is, this is the this is the formula for integration 1 by a square plus x square dx. Case number 4. That means 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Already we know this is the formula. This is the formula, you know. This is, we are applying here half 1 by a 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a x by 2 plus c. Again here 1 to half 1 ones 1, 2 twos 4 tan inverse x by 2 plus c here. Now here also we take ninth problem, integration 3x square by 1 plus x square dx. How we'll do this one also? Integration 3x square by 1 plus x cube whole square we can write here. Why? Because x power 6 means x is cube whole power x. What is the formula for it? X power m into whole power n is equal to x power mn. We know this is the formula. So 2 3 6 again here. So put x cube is equal to t, put here. What is that? This derivative we get 3x square dx plus c. That means 3x square dx, where is the 3x square dx? Put dx there. So here also integration 1 by 1 plus t square dt. 1 plus t square same as it is. 1 by integration in the last problem formula. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by 1 tan inverse t by 1. T means x cube, tan inverse x cube plus c. Here also we take integration 2 by root of 25 plus 9x square. What we will do first here? Here also I explain to you, x square coefficient should be take common outside. What is that? 9 is there, we take 9 common. Integration 2 is outside, 1 by root of 9 is common, 25 by 9 plus x square. So bracket, open the bracket, what is that? 9 into 25 by 9, 9 9 cancel, again we have 25 plus 9x square means 9x square. So our problem is same. That means we take the common here 9. 9 is root. We take the totally in out of the root. 3 square is there. Square root cancel. We can write 3. 2 by 3 integration 1 by 5 by 9. We can write 5 by 3 whole square plus x square. Here also the formula is integration in the case number 4 sin h inverse x by a. Integration here also formula integration 1 by root of a square plus x square formula. A square plus x square. What is that? That is equal to 1 by a sin h inverse x by a formula plus of c, not a 1 by a. Integration 1 by root of a square plus x square sin h inverse x by a. Here also we applied 2 by 3 is common, sin h inverse x by a by 3 is goes numerator, that means 2 by 3 sin h inverse 3x by 5 plus c. Now 11th problem is there. What is the 11th problem? Integration 3 by root of 9x square minus 1. Here also x square coefficient is 9. Take the common 9. Again what we can write? Integration 3 is outside, 1 by root of 9 is common, x square minus 1 by 9. That means 9 means root of 9 means we can take 3 outside. 3 integration 1 by root of x square minus 1 by 3 whole square. Here also x square minus a square. Case number 3, case number 4 formula is cos h inverse x by a plus c. Cos h inverse x by a plus c. That means cos h inverse 3x plus c. This is the 11th problem. Again 12th problem. What is the 12th problem? Here also we can say integration sin mx into cos nx. Here some formulas you should have to remember. Why? Because already we know in the first class we have discussed sin a plus b, sin a minus b formulas. Already we know sin a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. We are add this both sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. We get the 2 sin a plus b into sin a cos a minus b. Here 2 is there. That's why the 2 is not there. We are multiplied by 2 and dividing by 2 here. That means we can write the given problem half integration 2 sin mx into cos nx dx. Again for this one we can write here half integration sin m plus nx into plus sin m minus nx dx. Again sin a plus b plus sin a minus b we can write here. So that means sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Again we can write 2 sin a cos b. So here we separate the integration there, half integration sin m plus n x dx plus half sin m minus n of x dx. Here x is coefficient come in denominator. See integration, sin integration is cos. Same as it is we are putting m plus nx by this is coefficient, x coefficient is in the denominator, m plus n minus of half cos, same as it is sin integration is cos. Here minus cos m minus nx by x coefficient m minus n plus c. That means we take the common minus half common outside. Integration here answer cos m plus n of x by m plus n plus cos m minus n of x by m minus n plus c. This is the 12th problem. 13th problem integration same as it is sin mx into sin nx. Here 12th problem, what is the 12th problem? Sin mx into cos nx. Here is sin both are sin mx into sin nx. Whenever we see sin both are there, sin mx into sin nx, we take cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. The formula is there. Here also multiplied by 2 and dividing by 2, we get the integration 2 sin mx into sin nx. The formula is half integration cos a minus b x minus of cos a plus b. Here a plus b means m plus n x dx. Take the integration separately. Half integration cos m minus nx dx minus integration cos m plus nx dx. Here we are writing here cos m minus n. Why? Because here cos a plus b minus cos a minus b formula is 2 minus 2 sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Remember, minus is there. That's why the minus is cancelling. We will take first cos m minus n first. After then m plus n is there. So here separating there, cos integration is sin m minus n of x by m minus n minus of cos integration is sin m plus n of x by x coefficient is in the denominator m plus n plus c. This is the 13th problem. 14th problem, integration cos mx into cos nx. Here cos, both are cos is there. So take here cos plus value. Here in the above problem we have take cos minus value is there. Here is the plus value. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. That means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is there. That is half integration cos a plus b into x dx plus cos m minus n x dx. Here also we separate it. So cos integration is sin m plus n x by m plus n plus sin m minus n x by m minus n. So take the common half plus c. This is the answer. 15th problem is there. So integration sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x is there. How we will do that? First we take this sin 2x and sin 3x here separately. Sin 2x into sin 3x. Here also multiplied by 2 and dividing by 2. Sin 3x into sin both sin are there. What we can take sin are there? Cos a b minus c minus cos b plus c. So cos we can take here. In the above problem we have discussed it. So here also half common, take common cos x minus of cos phi x. Why? Because 3x minus 2 means x. 3 plus 2x means phi. 3 plus 2x means phi x. That means sin 2x, sin 3x we can write half cos x minus cos phi x. Put it in this our problem, integration sin x cos sin x cos sin 3x means half cos x minus cos phi x dx. Open the bracket, take the half outside. Sin x into cos x minus half sin x into cos phi x dx. Again we put the answer in the above problems. What is that? Half is common. 1 by 2 is multiplied and dividing by 2. Sin x into cos x dx minus here also integration sin half, put the half multiplication and dividing here also 2. What is the sin a plus b into sin a minus b? Here also sin 1 by 4, 2 fours 4. This is 2 sin x into cos x means sin 2 theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta, sin 2 theta we can write minus 1 by 4. Here also integration sin 6x plus 1 by 4 sin 4x dx, 5x minus 4. Here also 2 is multiplied and 2 is dividing here. Here also 2 is multiplied, 2 is dividing. This is 1 by 4 is common and 2 is goes in for this one. We will do this the problem. What is that? Not a here is multiplied. Here is multiplied by 2 and dividing also 2. Here sin 2x into cos 2x. Yes, here one step is there. We are omitting one step here. So here we can write minus of 1 by 2 integration 2 sin x into cos phi x dx. Actual this problem is there. So again we can take 1 by minus 2 1 by 4 is there, 1 by 4. This 2 goes and take sin x plus phi x minus sin x minus phi x here, phi x minus x. What is that? we have the formula 1 by 4 integration sin 2x dx minus 1 by 4 sin 6x dx plus 1 by 4 sin 4x dx. 1 by minus 1 by 4 is common. Sin integration sin 2x integration is cos 2x. X coefficient is denominator plus 1 this is minus sin integration is minus cos. Here also sin integration is minus cos, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 sin integration minus cos 6x, x coefficient 6 is denominator, minus of here also 1 by 4 plus into minus minus cos 4x by 4 plus c. So 4 is take the common, or we can multiply this one 4 2 c 8 1 minus 1 by 8 cos 2x plus 6 4 24 cos 6x minus 4 4 16 1 by 16 cos 4x plus c. Now last one problem, integration sin x by sin a plus x dx. How will do? Put sin a, we can write sin x is equal to sin a plus b minus a plus x minus a cancel, again we can write sin x. So we can change the sin x like that. Sin here it is the one bracket sin a minus b, sin a minus b formula, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. In the first year we have discussed, we have learnt this formula. So separate this one, integration sin a plus x into cos a by sin a plus x dx minus integration cos a plus x into sin a by sin a plus x into dx. What is the sin a plus x by sin a plus x cancel. We have constant cos a is outside, integration 1 dx minus of here also sin a is constant, take the outside, integration cos a plus x by sin a plus x. So cos x one integration is x, cos a one integration x minus of sin a is outside, here numerator derivative the denominator, we get the numerator, we can write log of denominator, log of sin ax plus b plus c, ax plus x plus c. That means what is that? Take the x cos a minus sin a log mod sin a plus x plus c. This is the problems. Now these are the first group problems, 16 problems is there in the sixth B exercise. Now today we have completed the first group problem, 16 problems. Tomorrow I will start second group exercise 2b. Now is there any difficulty to understand these problems? Please comment me and share it. It is you should be share it to your friends also, and also subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you very much. I will stop here, continue tomorrow.